What apple? What apple? Oh, the apple. Nom. Can I even eat an apple? No, ignore it. It is not. There you go. It's the apple. The dorky. Apple. You want the apple? Want a piece of apple? Couch is getting all sticky. Apple. Apple. I'm gonna drop it, didn't it? Wait, like come here, where are you going? Apple. Apple. There you go. You dropped the fucking apple. Sasha. Apple? Apple. You're so little. You're an apple. Oh, got a piece of apple. 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 Nom. Sasha, do you like the apple?
State Judicial Panel is now investigating the Lorenzo County judge caught on tape beating his daughter with a belt.
Officials in the county say
Skeeter, you want some apple? Here's Skeeter.
From hearing any Child Protective Services cases for at least 2 weeks. And today, the judge's daughter and ex-wife gave their side of the story on NBC's Today Show. Hillary Adams says a pattern of abuse led her to secretly record the beating. The judge's ex-wife, Haley, says Adams was controlling and brainwashed her when they were married. She also said he had an addiction at the time, but would not elaborate.
While it's the judge at the focus of this disturbing story, Hillary's mother is a definite part of that video. And this morning we talked with psychotherapist Mary Tomasini and legal analyst Chris Tritico about her part of the case.
She's clearly on the video with a belt hitting the child once. That, she'll have a defense to that of reasonable discipline.
Apple
what
too.
she
I want
doesn't
an
have
apple.
a really good defense to is
I want an
her
apple.
assistance of the father, turnover, take it like a 15-year-old adult, and really assisting the father in his
had a lot of apple,
Sasha.
What apple has
she's just as culpable as he is in that crime.
The mother is now starting to say she was under the influence, she's being controlled, there was an addiction in the family. This family is very dysfunctional and it's very abusive, and many times what will happen in those families is one of the partners will almost develop a learned helplessness.
Well, we've heard differing legal opinions about the judge's future since the story just exploded yesterday. But as he told us,
Skeeter, were you sad?
Critico said again today he expects a criminal charge.
I think what we're going to see is the Texas Rangers are going to finish their investigation.
I
would be very surprised if at a minimum the
if you bite it, you can have it.
Indicted for injury to a child.
You dropped it.
He has to leave the bench then.
If he gets indicted, then he'll be suspended from the bench until the case is resolved. If he gets a conviction, then he'll be removed.
Apple.
Well, the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services has not commented on the video or the investigation, but the agency was involved in the decision to bring in a visiting judge. Meanwhile, Judge Adams has just released a 3-page statement telling his side of the story and not apologizing for anything he did. He claims he posted that video